Let's dive into interesting ways to use the word break into your conversations. Let's get started. Break up. Break up means to end a relationship or a gathering. They decided to break up after years of dating. Break out. Break out means to escape or suddenly start. A fire broke out in the building, and everyone had to evacuate. Breakthrough. Breakthrough means to overcome a barrier or obstacle. With hard work, he managed to break through the challenges in his career. Break in. Break in means to enter a place forcibly, especially illegally. The police were called when someone tried to break into the store. There you have it. Practice these, use them, and soon you'll improve your fluency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, happy learning!